guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to today's video. Now today is the day, finally we're going to be making a start with the MK4 Golf. I think well over a month ago now I picked the car up. Since that day I've just parked it in the corner and haven't touched it, obviously with other projects going on in the Mark II and so on. At this moment in time I don't actually know where we're going to start with the car. We're probably going to start by jacking it up, that's probably a good place to start. But then what we're going to do is the engine needs to come out. We're going to take the bonnet off as well, just so it's easier to work in the engine bay. The subframe needs to come off. Everything underneath needs to come off the fuel lines. The rear axle needs to come off as well, and the fuel tank needs to come out. So practically everything you can see will be coming off the car. I'm going to take the wings off just so they don't get damaged. I've got cloths and everything just to protect the paint and so on. So yeah, I'm excited for this finally come in. I know a lot of you are excited to see this start, and it won't be long before the TT comes off the road for good. We're going to put it into the garage and then start by stripping that down, because the only thing we're keeping off that, as you know already, is the engine and the wheels. Everything else will be sold, so we'll get that in, we'll start breaking that and then sort of have the two on the go. I know we're way off putting the engine out of the Audi TT in this yet, but you know, other parts on that car can get sold and just clawing a bit of money to put into this. So that's the plan anyway. That's enough waffling on. Right guys, so we've got the car jacked up now, it's on axle stands. What I am going to do now just quickly is just walk around, show you guys the state that the car's in. We're looking in the engine bay here, just see how much dirt and mess there actually is in here. It's all down the sides there, so we're going to take everything out. I mean, you can look down there where the engine mount is, that's supposed to be red, so you can see over the years the dirt has just collected. I don't think it's ever been cleaned, to be honest. Now we have a look down here, you see there it's damaged, pretty nasty mark there. So dirty that is as well, so we've got a good clean up is in order. Mess on that. Now, so what I'm going to do next is take the bonnet off, get the wings taken off as well, just so it makes a little more room for when we're taking the engine and stuff out. Now if we have a look underneath, what I'm going to be doing is everything under there, it's going to be taken back. We're going to strip that down. Just years of dirt and mess. We're going to take all that back and we're going to get it back to red. Just have a look under there. So the exhaust, everything's coming off. Remove that exhaust. Absolutely everything you can see underneath will be taken off, cleaned up, and then we can start putting it all back together. So right, I'm going to take this bonnet off, I'm going to take the wings off, and we're going to get to it. Now what I'm going to do is store the wings in the back of the car, but to open the boot lid I need to turn the ignition on, and as you'd expect the battery's now dead, so I'm just going to put this booster on and I've taken the wheels off, I've removed the wing as well, same on this side, both wheels removed and the wing, the arch lining needs to come out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the bonnet off and then we're going to start disassembling this front panel here. Right, so with the bonnet now off, we've got plenty of room to work and bolt things up, etc. And we can, I'm going to set a light up to shine down on the engine bay, but that will make life a lot easier. Right, next job, we're going to take the front panel off. What I need to do, I need to find a bucket and drain the coolant from the bottom of the rad. So let's go and do that. I don't know if you can see that there. Seems to be a screw in it. I don't know if it's screw there. I don't think it is. So, if I'm correct, all we've got to disconnect is the bonnet catch lever, 2 bolts there, and I think is the bonnet catch. Always one. Right guys, there we have it. The front end's now off. Just makes life a lot easier when we come to working on it and disconnecting all the wires and pipes and so on. Right guys, so in the next video we're going to be taking this engine out. Now I'm not going to be uploading another video until the engine's out, so we will be getting this engine out in one video. Let me know if you guys want me to document how to take the engine out, sort of a step-by-step guide. Let me know in the comments below, or if you'd rather just create a video just showing me taking the engine out. Either way, just let me know in the comments and I'll do my best. But I'm going to end the video there. This was sort of part 1 of the strip down. Like I said, in the next video we're going to be taking the engine out, so that's going to be a very good video. If you do like the video and you like what I'm doing over on this channel, then don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to leave the thumbs up so I know if you enjoyed that video and so on. Don't forget, if you're new as well, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon. That will then notify you when I next upload a video. The next one is not to be missed. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.